welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. My name is Rose and today I am here to show you guys how to make a very basic creamy mac and cheese. Let me tell you, this one is so creamy and so cheesy. If you want to see it, stay tuned. Be sure you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed right now, please hit the subscribe button because that's how you will get my cooking videos. Also, turn on the bell. If you have not done so, if you're watching, you haven't clicked on the bell, please do so right now because lots of delicious, quick, easy recipe are coming. So let's get started with this mac and cheese, okay? To get started, we're going to start by boiling our pasta. I am using the direction on the box to cook my pasta. I am using 1.5 cup of elbow-shaped pasta, okay? Once my pasta is nice and al dente, I am going to pour out the water, the hot water, then pour some cold water on there, then drain it out, set it aside. Now moving on, in this skillet here, I am adding 4 tablespoons unsalted butter on there. Then I am going to let it melt until it's nicely melt. Then we're going to add flour to it. I am using all-purpose flour. You want to cook the flour for about 2 to 3 minutes until you get rid of the raw flour taste. Once you cook your flour for about 2 to 3 minutes, then you're going to add your whole milk. You can also add some half and half, but for this recipe, I'm using whole milk. Once everything is nice and smooth together, I am going to season it, okay? After we're done making the roux, you gotta season it. I am using paprika, pepper, a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, a little tiny garlic powder, not too much, okay? And then I am going to add the cheese. I'm using Parmigiano Reggiano, and as well as some cheddar cheese, okay? Medium. Okay, I feel like I need a little bit more cheese. I went ahead and added a little bit more cheese on there, and then I am going to add my pasta. Now it is nice and cheesy and very creamy, as you guys can see. Now I am going to add my pasta to it. You guys can see. You see how creamy? This is what you're looking for. It looks like a glue type of thing. But now it's time for me to add my pasta. I am going to pour the pasta little by little, or you can pour it all at once until everything is well coated with the cheese, and then we're going to bake it, okay? Now the baking dish you're going to bake it in, make sure it's nice and buttered because you don't want your pasta to stick on there, okay? Now this is the baking dish. I am going to show it to you guys in a quick. Alright, now I added a little bit of non-stick spray on there. You can also add butter, but I added non-stick spray. Then I am going to pour the mac and cheese. I guess it's a mac and cheese now. We're going to add the mac and cheese in there, and then we're going to add our cheese on top. I like to add a lot of cheese, okay, on top. I don't know if it's just me. It just looks nicer. So I have cheese on top, then I'll cover it with a foil and make sure you bake this on 350 for 20 minutes, okay? Once your 20 minutes is over, this is what you have. The most basic mac and cheese recipe, but yet this one is the one. This one is the one right there. Okay, it's so creamy, it's so cheesy. The whole family will love this. Try it, come back to this video, let me know how you guys like it, because I love this recipe. It's quick, it's easy, yet it's delicious. Okay, let me know, guys. I will be uploading very often, so be on the lookout. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have not done so. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.